Okay, so there's a problem here I've discovered with YouTube. And it has nothing to do with American Express and their annoying credits, as I said in my last video. But I gotta tell you something. It just gets me a little upset, okay? And it has to do with the types of videos we all make here on the YouTube credit card community. Because as much as I want to make you one of the best YouTube videos out there, sometimes I can't get through to you. It might just be the algorithm, or you would just might be bored as hell when you're watching my videos. But it actually doesn't even have to do with me all the way. It has to do with the type of video that YouTube wants you to see. And I gotta tell you guys, it's really frustrating. I know, man, I know. What is Jake talking about again today on this frickin' Tuesday afternoon at my lunch break from work? Well, let me tell you, okay, guys, I got something to say. It just pisses me off, man, because I was just recording you an epic video, and I tried it 3 times, and I can't get it out. And it has to do with making a redemption. So what does this mean, making a redemption? Well, guys, here on the YouTube video community and the credit card niche, YouTube only likes to promote you how to make points. They like to promote videos that show you how to make value, but not how to redeem it. And that's a big problem. Because none of this value that you're seeing, how to get 150,000 membership awards points sign-up bonus after spending $8,000 in 6 months for the MX Platinum, none of that will be worth anything if you don't know how to redeem it. And that's an issue. It's a big issue, man. I'm sitting here trying to go to Japan on my laptop that I have right here. Sitting here trying to find it, and I can't find availability. And not only can I not find availability, I can't make a video interesting enough for you to watch all the way through, just to see my struggles, just to see what even happens. I don't know what to do. I really don't. Because I could make a video that shows you how to redeem something, and maybe only you loyal viewers are going to want to watch. But here on the Jake Merker YouTube channel, we strive to be as authentic as possible, okay? I want to let you know what's going on behind the scenes here. I just want to tell you how I'm feeling, man. You know, right as it comes. But it definitely just makes me a little upset on how this all works out, because this is a business, man. I'm trying to make a little dollar here. Wouldn't it be cool to take this full time? I think that would be cool. But I can't do it without YouTube stop frustrating me with how to make videos, man. I don't want them to tell me how to make videos. I want to make them how I want to make them. It just sucks though. Every time I make a how to redeem points video, it doesn't get out. It doesn't get out at all. I get 500 views and everyone moves on with their day and that's it. These are the kind of videos that I'll put 4 times the effort in. The ones that I don't put effort in, I'm just sitting there, just talking. Honestly, like this one, I'm just talking and telling you how I feel. There isn't much to it. YouTube probably will like this one. I just don't know what to do. Should I start some sort of members only community, which you have to pay $4.99 a month so you can watch some special video that I can make just for you? Sure, maybe. I didn't think about doing that, but YouTube sure as hell is making me want to do it. I mean, I want everything to be free and accessible. I just don't know what to do, guys. I really don't. Because I was just sitting here on my laptop making a video here, and I could already tell, deep down inside, I could already feel it. I could already feel everyone just leaving. Everyone's leaving, clicking off, scrolling away. That's it. YouTube doesn't care. The click-through rate's low. This is a business, bro. I got to figure out how to make people look and watch and enjoy and stay for the whole time. It's just tough. It's tough. But I'm sure there's something I can do that'll make this work, okay? I think there's some sort of solution here. We can figure out something together. I don't know exactly what it's going to be. You know, I look around all you guys watch, the other YouTube creators. Of course, I think that's great. And I see you guys comment. I see you guys comment in all these other videos, and I'm like, wow, I wish I could provide content for them. They're all wanting it. You all want those redemption videos, I know. Everyone's like, hey, Daniel Braun, can you make me a video showing how to redeem all my membership awards points? And he does it sometimes. I mean, some people try, but it never gets out. I just don't know what to do. I'm trying to address your guys' concerns and show you that, you know, the points and miles game just ain't about earning points only. I know the whole cent per point valuation, finding flights, doing leaf flat business class. Seems easy. It's not. Your points aren't worth anything unless you can travel. You got to realize that. There, all these big bonuses you're gonna get, and they Chase Inc. bonuses. A lot of these creators know what they're gonna get the bonus for, including me, and they'll just kind of make a redemption on the back end. You won't even see it. Maybe talk about their trip, and that's it. We're all doing it behind the scenes. I just went on a trip and kind of don't know how I did it. I didn't even know how to show you. It's just weird. I think providing I want you to know what's going on, what I'm doing. I want you to know, but I don't know how to make it successful. Because I do want success on this channel, guys. I mean, I'm growing pretty quickly right now. It's insane. I have no idea what I'm doing all the way. I'm just trying to tell you everything that I think and how I feel and share my opinion. It's a lot of fun connecting with everyone, but I just don't know how to do it for these redemption videos. So I guess maybe we'll figure something out. Maybe YouTube will make a change. Maybe there's this push towards this long video content authenticity thing. I mean, I recorded last night. I sat down at 9:30 and I got a nice recording in for you guys. I showed you exactly how to book New York to Haneda Airport in Tokyo. And I was going to publish it and I was going to share it with everyone. And I was watching it back this morning and I'm like, damn, no one's going to watch this, bro. No one cares. Maybe a few people will. And I'm trying to cater to you guys, but it's hard because I won't get views, dude. I won't get pushed to I can't reach more people if I'm constantly it's a hard balance because I really do want to constantly target my core audience and tell you guys how exactly I want to give you guys this juicy good content, but YouTube's not really pushing it past that. Is there just not that many people interested in these really niche redemption topics and stuff like that? It's kind of weird. And then every time I branch out, you've seen it, everyone else talks about it too. Every time I branch out to random stuff, I don't know. I made a travel video last week, just showing you a suitcase. Dude, that got nothing. just a couple regular people watch it, but nobody cares. It's really weird. So this is a tough game. And I almost want to just share this video with you because this has to do with the credit card game. Because the credit card game and YouTube actually pair very well, very close together. It's a lot of people that are doing this YouTube thing are doing the credit card game, and a lot of credit card people are doing the YouTube game. They pair well, and it's because of referrals. I don't want to say that's the only reason why a lot of us have channels. I personally was feeling alone, and I want to just connect with people, see what's going on, Just thought it would be fun to talk to other people that like things that I like. I moved to a whole new city last year, and I moved to Chicago. And I was freaking bored. I just work at home, and I thought, why not make some videos after work and see what's going on, and ended up here. So I want to keep on doing that. I'll keep on connecting with you guys, but you got to realize that, a lot of credit card creators, including myself, referrals are just a huge part of this. It's that's just, if I want to make this a business, if I want to make this a viable means to an end, it's got to make money. I need money. How do I get that money? Well, I got to give value. And in return, I get referrals. Referrals are the best way to make value for the creator. Because AdSense sucks. Honestly, I don't get a lot of AdSense. Referrals have been the best way to get money. I know this video is already boring you already probably, but for you OG viewers that are still here, sticking around, do respect you, and I do appreciate you. So I guess here on the Jake Mercury YouTube channel, we're going to keep on going. We're going to see where this goes, and I have no idea what's going to happen because all these big bonuses that we're getting, I hope we're going to be able to redeem them, and I hope that you can do the same. I'm going to find a way to show you, maybe if it's through a membership program or maybe it's through just making a video that has to flop every once in a while. Got to sacrifice, I guess. But it's just tough because I want to make a lot more of them than I do the big bonus ones because that's easy. It's not that hard to sign up, but those ones are the ones that make the money. I guess it's important for me to share this with all you guys. I think that bringing clarity to the YouTube credit card scene is important because as a viewer, I can get confused, man. Sometimes you don't know what's going on. You don't know what's going on behind scenes. You don't know who's kicking back someone. You don't know who's getting the bonuses or the affiliates and all that. It's tough, man. You don't know what's going on, but I'm here trying to tell you that I am trying to get referrals because I'll be as honest as possible. I am, but I'm also trying to share with you the most valuable content here in the world, in the credit card niche. I guess that's in the world too. But if you do want to check out my links in the description, only if you really want to get those cards, only if you really do, you can click on them and check them out. But don't do that just to get them, okay? Don't just click and, get a card that you don't want. Be careful. This game is dangerous. You got to play it respectfully and responsibly. And with that, I hope you guys all have a good day. Take it easy, and I'll see you later. Bye.